This 2024 Grand Design Momentum AM Class 351 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 7, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, awning, slide-out, auxiliary battery, TV, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum AM Class 351 Mega Siemens is 15,454 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.